Yo, people, it's now time for action. It's really time for some action. I love this last part, and every time, action, because whatever said and done, you may get the world's best strategy. You may get to learn the world's best mindset, everything. But ultimately, what matters is, have you put it to action? If you have not put it to action, then nothing changes. Everything remains as is. It is this action which is the trigger point for one to change from what they are to becoming something magnanimous. So go for it. Be in the action mode. Now, what are the actions? What are the actions? Here are the ones. Here are it. First and foremost, figure out why do you want to trade? We spoke about the requirements, and why was one of the biggest W's, one of the most important W's, right? List at least 25 reasons. List down why do you want to trade, whatever is the reasons. Minimum 25. If you want to go for 100, go for it. That's the first action. Second, work on basic 6 W's, trading requirements. Write down answers to all the category. It is very important. Very important. Go back to that video once again, look at everything, and take a book if you have, or your laptop Excel spreadsheet or a Word document. Neatly document everything, because it's a business you are starting. When you answer all the 6 W's, that will be your business plan. That will be the foundation for your trading as a business. So it's a very scientifically put up there. Right? And we are teaching that first, than giving you strategy directly. Direct strategies won't work. It's a business. You need all the levers to play well. So please spend time on this. Next, of the different kind of trading, evaluate which kind of trading you resonate with the most and why. And write down your answers. Very important. Use pen and paper to think, right? Take time off and think through this. If you want to discuss with your spouse, with your family members, discuss that, because we are very serious to make it happen for you. But I need your help. I need you to help yourself so that I can help you, so that we can help you, right? But for that, you got to take these very simple actions. It will take you just about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes to do this. But what it will transpire into is magnanimous. So what kind of trading resonates for you, right? And why? That is very important. Write down that. And finally, plan for your trading capital. How much are you going to raise? How are you going to raise? What is going to be your trading capital, right? From where do you get it? I'm going to discuss quite a bit about the capital in itself, but this is the time to start planning. Is it going to be a couple of lakhs? Is it going to be in thousands? It's going to be multi-lakhs, right? You can kind of deploy whatever you want. We have our students trading in upward of 50 lakhs, and some of our students are trading upward of 1 crore rupees as well. And we manage a lot of money for our clients, which is in multi-crores, right? So given that, there is no limit to this, people. But provided you do this in this fashion, step by step. So 4 actions, go for it. And if you're all set to go for it, before you jump on to the next module, pause here and simply complete your actions like you did for the previous module. If you have done, congratulations, great. If you have not done, please pause right here and complete all your actions, and then jump onto the next module, and you'll see the magnanimous change and shift which is going to happen within you. And we're going to be there with you all through this journey to make it happen for you, right? So now I want to leave you with this final thought for this module. Read this statement carefully. This is what I believe in. This is in my experience. People, there are many ways to live. Each one of us can live the way we want to, and there are many ways to trade. What is important is find your niche. Make that your trademark, your trading way. You are a unique human being. There is nobody else like you on this planet. You are a beautiful, unique human being. And that is a niche in itself. Exactly like that, you can pick up your own way of trading You don't have to. You don't have to kind of try to do everything. Don't do. It's not going to work. I told you, it's not jack of all. No, it's master of one. It's always master of one. Pick what resonates and make that your way. It can be trend trading. It can be positional. It can be in options. It can be only in futures. It can be in short terms, whatever it is. But make that your way. With that thought, if you resonate, type in the comment, ready for action and to find my trading way. Type in ready for action and to find my trading way. All the best for implementing these actions, and I'll see you in the next module where it's going to be much more bigger and much more deeper. Until then, keep implementing, keep learning, keep taking actions. See you. Have a great learning and implementation time. Bye bye, people.